Hey guys, and welcome back to Cook with Lucy. And on today's menu we will be making breakfast waffles. So please note that all of the list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below, so please check that out. And to start with, I will just be cutting some strawberries into quarters and follow that up with some blueberries. And then I'm just going to be adding some sugar and lemon to the bowl. And the sugar just brings out the sweetness in the strawberries, and the lemon just helps to break them down a bit faster. I'm just going to leave that on the counter and let that marinate while we make the waffles. So in a large bowl, we're just going to combine all of our wet ingredients, and they are the buttermilk or melted butter, which should be at room temperature or just slightly warm. And then we're going to add some eggs, vanilla essence, and sugar, and we're just going to whisk that till just combined. Now, if you do not have buttermilk at home, you can easily make yours by adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar to 1 cup of milk. And so in a separate bowl, we're just going to combine the rest of the dry ingredients, which is the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and a bit of salt. I'm just going to whisk that together till just combined, and then we'll add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And you're just going to whisk this together until it is just combined. You do not want to overmix this batter. And then we're just going to spray the waffle iron with a good amount of cooking spray, and then we'll add 1 cup of the mixture to the waffle iron and spread it around a bit. Cover it and let it go until the waffle is done. And it's time to assemble. We'll just take the waffle out and let it cool slightly, and then we'll add a generous amount of our marinated fruits or berries and a healthy drizzle of syrup. Now, I noticed that most people serve this with a very heavy sprinkle of confectionery sugar, but I find that this is just to my taste, but feel free to do you. Okay guys, so if you found this video helpful at all, please give it a huge thumbs up. Let me hear your feedback in the comment section. I do my best to respond to every single person. Feel free to check out some of my other playlists. I have some sweet and savory recipes I'm sure you'll like to try. And I will see you in my next one, guys.